What is up, you guys? I'm Charmix. Today I'm gonna be reacting to nothing. Today I'm gonna be reacting to nothing because I have nothing to react to. Hopefully it's gonna be quite interesting. Hopefully you guys like this video. Without any further ado, let's begin. Ooh.